Got a Husqvarna 359 chainsaw. It belonged to a fire department in upper western or northern Virginia, I can't remember which one. 20-inch bar and chain, got a good chain on it. There's nothing cracks, scratches and stuff, normal use. Been taken good care of. This is exactly how I picked it up. Clean like this. They have to take care of their equipment because this stuff has to be ready in an emergency. So I'm gonna start it up. I'm gonna set my camera down here. Just bear with me here a second. Got to be careful with that decompression valve. You don't have a good hold on it and it's out when you try to start it on top of your hand. Got a lot of compression. Alright, video over.